This is one of my go-to recipes when I want to switch things up, when I want to change the flavor that I'm putting on my table. This chicken breast is so tender. Let me show you how I did it.
It's so good.
All right, so first we're gonna start off with prepping everything. I diced some baby bella mushrooms, a poblano pepper, a bunch of garlic, yellow onions, some fresh basil, and some fresh cilantro. Now that we have that out the way, and being that this is a chicken breast, it's a pretty thick cut of meat, we're gonna season this chicken real well. So I'm gonna start off with some black pepper, some adobo, some sea salt, some ground cumin, some garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. And like I said, we're gonna season it well. You want to go ahead and salt it to your taste. Everybody has different salt levels. You know that adobo also has a little salt in it, so just keep that in mind when you're seasoning these thick cuts of meat like this. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to it to help spread the season on the chicken evenly. And I like to rub the chicken on itself so that way the seasoning can distribute evenly. And now to a hot pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add some olive oil, and then I'm gonna go ahead and brown the chicken breast on both sides. Now my chicken is all browned on both sides. I'm gonna take them out the pan, put them to the side, and then I'm gonna add everything that I diced. All my mushrooms, my poblano peppers, my onions, my basil, my cilantro, and garlic. And we're gonna go ahead and let this saute. And we're not gonna cook it all the way down till it's translucent. We just want it to start sweating, let the moisture start to pull out. I'm gonna chop up some fresh tomatoes, and also I'm gonna use 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. And now I'm just gonna use the same seasonings that I used to season the chicken breast. And then we're gonna add about a cup of water. And once we have everything stirred together, we're gonna go ahead and nestle those chicken breasts right up under the tomatoes and the vegetables and everything. Basically, we're gonna smother it. We're gonna cover it with everything that we put into this pan. And don't forget about those juices from when the chicken was resting. That's a ton of flavor right there. Cover it and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. But in between time, you wanna just make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now I've turned the fire off, The chicken is all done. It's gonna be nice and tender. See that? It's ready to plate. Get you some white rice. Go ahead, throw your chicken on top of that with some of that stewed tomatoes and all those vegetables. Man, I'm telling you, this right here is a home run. You're gonna want to eat this every other week. You dig? Go ahead, sprinkle you some fresh cilantro. I forgot my lime. Get you a little squeeze of lime juice on there. Go ahead and dig in. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Go ahead, give it a try. It's so simple, so easy. All you have to do is prep everything before you start cooking. After that, everything goes into the pan. Then you meat, let it simmer. Then it's all done. Real simple.